you need to get in some kind of normality because the whole world is in an absolute free fall. What can you do to bring consistency and structure to somewhat chaotic outside of that? So for me, it's getting up at a certain time. It's always making the bed. It's some of the most basic things which actually are so important that allow me to have structure for the rest of the day. And that kind of gives me that consistency, which gives me that comfort. Again, looking at the Chimp's Paradox book that we've both been reading, getting those kind of, that consistency and security around, okay, these are things I know are going to happen. And therefore you feel more set up to deal with whatever life throws at you through the day, which right now is more than normal, right? People at all times of the day and you're like, whoa.
Absolutely. And for me, even with my own marketing and the way that I look at my own digital marketing, I have a set time in the week where I'm going to look through all the figures of the week, do it then I'm not going to feel overwhelmed. Then I figure out what I have to do next week to make it better, rather than just like swimming in analytics every day. And that's really the point of this webinar, is to help you set up the structure